In this video, I am going to show you how to remove app from your iPhone home screen, but still keep it in your phone. Let's get started. You already know that if you want to remove an app from your home screen but still keep it on your phone, you just tap and hold the app tile until you see the remove app button. Then tap on it and choose remove from home screen. This takes the app off of your home screen without deleting it, and if you want to do this for multiple apps, the way that I used to do it was by repeating the process over and over for each app. But there is a much quicker way to do this. Tap and hold on an app that you want to remove from your home screen and drag it slightly while keeping your finger or thumb pressed down on that app. Tap on any other apps that you also want to remove. This will create a stack of apps, now still keeping your finger or thumb pressed on the stack. Use another finger to swipe all the way to the right until you reach the app library, then let go of the stack. All the apps will now be dropped into the app library, removing them from your home screen, but still keeping them on your phone as normal. And that's it. Super easy, right? Now you can clean up your home screen in seconds without deleting a thing. If you found this tip helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to iPhone Insider for more quick iPhone tricks, hidden features, and smart tips to get the most out of your device. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.